Hey, what's up, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On this video, we got a what? Another
Unbox.
unboxing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Another unboxing. Is this? Are we calling it double up?
Yes, sir. Double unboxing.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll let you go first, my brother.
All righty. Well, let's get to it.
Drum roll.
So you know who came through for us?
Who's that? Special K.
Special K. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's right. You see that size right there? You see it?
Yes, sir.
Special K came through again. Appreciate you, Special K. Bam.
Uh-oh.
Look at that. Mm, mm. Hey, you know the real from the fake. Just check out that phone right there. The phone right there. You know you're getting
Yes,
the
sir.
real
That
deal.
boost.
Yeah, when you get that. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, buddy. Smell like money. Can't wait to put these on feet. Can't wait to put these on feet. What I love about it, hey, then you got to put that Yeezy in there. You see it?
Yes, sir.
Got to put that in.
Easy. Special K.
Special K. Hey, Special K. Hey, drop us a comment down below, Special K, and let me know if I can get my signature shoe and just put Special K in there. This is I'm a fan of these, and I'm a fan because they're so comfortable, man. These here is the comfortable shoes I think I have, in my collection, and I appreciate that. But once again, Special K, thank you. Yes, sir. Look at them. Look at them. Got to put them on feet. Yes, sir. What you think about these, my brother?
I do like those. I like the way your collection is coming out. You got a all black pair pretty much, and you got the brother, and then you got the sister, and then who are these? Who are these guys right here? The Grays, all Grays, the cool Grays,
These are nephew.
nephew, the
Yeah,
nephew.
yeah, these
Yeah,
are
we keeping it all in the same 350 family.
yeah, these are
That's
nephew. Yep. Yes, sir.
Yeah, but
Yes.
despite what's trending and who says what, like I always tell you to rock what you like. Don't let other people predict what you're gonna wear. If you're like 350s and that's what you like, then hey, cop what you like. That's what I always say. In the end, it's all about putting them on feet. So wearing your sneakers.
But with these here, right, they always look better on feet than
Mm-hmm.
just sitting out. And
Yes, sir.
reason why I started getting son, he had a pair, and I was like, them must look pretty dope. Bought my first pair, and ever since I've been hooked. So Special K, thanks, appreciate you.
And I
What you?
think right now is a good time to buy because we know that Yeezys are not as popular right at this moment because 350s are going out of style. And then Kanye is telling people not to rock them because he's saying that he didn't authorize Adidas to release those pairs. His shoes are going right now just pretty much retail price and not a lot of resale. They have released some slides, which we'll be unboxing right here. Take a look at these. Nothing that we haven't already on the channel, but just want to let you know that hey, we like the Yeezys, we like the slides. We got these Onyx slides right here. Prices on the either called Dark Onyx, so it's not really the OG Onyx, but this is my size. Again, I don't know if Kanye's gonna stop making Yeezys or his deal with the Adidas will be over, but if you still like to wear his shoes or wear 350s or slides, foam runners, then go ahead and scoop them up while they're cheap right now. Everything is pretty much sitting. It should be easy to get. I got these on the confirm mat. Again, for retail price, you can't beat that. Who knows if the contract with Yeezy is up and over, or they stop producing these, and all the shoes may skyrocket. So I implore you, sneakerheads, if you want any slides, foam runners, or 350s, even the 700s, we know those are popular model too. But go ahead and start buying them up, because after these low prices right now, almost at retail prices, and most people are either getting rid of them or selling them. They're gonna dry up, and the people that are holding on to these Yeezys are marking up the prices, and they're gonna be unaffordable. So again, if you want to rock whatever you like to rock and get them at the low price, I can't say it enough. Hey, get them while they hot. Get them while they hot. That's all I gotta say. I know my brother has some slides too. So you said what you say about these slides?
Hey, I'm telling you, they comfortable. Hey, Adidas, Special K did a phenomenal job with how comfortable their shoes are, and that's one reason why I'm a fan. Not because of the fashion itself, but how they feel on feet, and that there is hey, that's first class to me. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. But for how comfortable the shoe itself is, hey, phenomenal. You can't be.
Yes, let us know in the comments. So you're still rocking with Yeezys, and let us know which Yeezys do you do have in your collection. As for me, I'm still rocking these, and I'm still messing with Yeezys because, like my bro said, they are comfortable. I came on to the Yeezy scene late, so to me they're fairly new. How about you, my brother?
My first pair was my Zebra 350s. Then I went to the all black. Now I just picked up Nephew, right?
Yes,
I
sir.
got the slides as well. I may have to pick up Niece, here. Get them while they at retail price, because like you said, hey, they go jack those prices up here soon. So if you are a fan of the shoe itself and you're looking for a shoe that's very comfortable and somewhat stylish, hey, go on and snatch them up. But like we said, hey, drop us a comment down below. Either way, if you're liking them or you're not, Special K is always on our team. We appreciate you. So hey, you guys continue to love content like this. Hey, check out that video right there.
Like you said, for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Be.